So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see the best editing workspace for Premiere Pro. So let's get right into it. So I will open new project here and I will rename that best editing workspace. So at the very first you will have your workspace like this. So this will your workspace. So what you need to do is, so wait a minute, and you just need to close the metadata panel because you don't need it. By the way, I don't need it, so I close that panel. And now we have these three panels here. So what you need to do is bring that project panel, drag it next to the source clip panel. So now you have there, and I will just close media browser panel because we don't need it. I will also close libraries panel. I will also close info panel. I will not close effects panel, you need that. I will just drag it next to the project panel and close the markers panel, you don't need it, and also close the history panel. And now you have the big timeline so that you can edit nicely. And that drag the audio meters panel right next to the audio clip mixer. So now you have that big timeline to edit. So by the way, I don't need audio clip mixer because I edit my audio in Adobe Audition, so I don't need it, so I will just close that panel. And we are done. We have this nice editing workspace in Premiere Pro. You can freely edit nicely. But there is one thing missing, which is essential graphics. So what you need to do is click on the window button and search, means look for essential graphics and just click on it. And you have this essential graphics panel on the right side, so you just need to drag it wherever you want. I will just drag somewhere around here, and there we go. We have this nice editing workspace. So you can see we got nicely a big timeline here. So guys, that is it for this week's video. Do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment below anything. And do not forget to follow me on Instagram. All the links are in description. Go check it out, and thanks for watching.